Welcome to this video. Thank you ever so much for being here. I have got a really good one for you here if you want to make money now and if you want to make it really easy and quick. And I'm going to give you the prompt to use with ChatGPT, and I'm also going to show you can make money really quickly using this exact method. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do give us a thumbs up, do give us a like on the video. It really does help. I know it's annoying when people say that, but if you could, that would be brilliant. If you're interested in building AI income streams, do subscribe. I've got more coming for you and some live case studies as well. And if you're interested in finding the best niches, making money quickly, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. It's for a webinar called the Master Niches 2025, and in that webinar I'll be mapping out a complete plan for you, as well as giving you some more niches, high-end niches that pay over $500 a sale, recurring income niches, and also CPA niches which will give you instant profits where you don't have to sell anything. It's more for an action, so to collect emails. If that doesn't make sense, don't worry, because all will be explained in the webinar. I'm also giving you the keyword time bomb method, which is a way of stacking your keywords so you get ranked really quickly. So if you're interested in taking this further, do check that out. The links in the description below. Okay, so let's go back and look at this prompt. How can you make money if you need money now? Here we go. So the first thing that you want to do is create something of value, an asset, and this is one of the easiest ways. You can see here I've got a prompt here that will pick me out a niche, but it's a little bit different. These are the main parts. So the first thing I'm doing here is priming, that we've already looked at in previous videos. In short, it tells ChatGPT or any AI how to act, like what's their role, who are they. It works a lot better because you're going to get better output by telling ChatGPT who they are. So here we go. Act as a world-class niche research expert, SEO strategist and conversion-focused copywriter with a deep knowledge of affiliate marketing, high-ticket products and website flipping. And then this is another bit of the priming where you want to tell, in this case ChatGPT, what the goal is. And you can see here my goal is to build and rank a site that generates commissions of $200 per sale, or $200 plus. The reason I did that is because you'll be making money far quicker if you're making more per sale. Not you don't have to do it like that, but it does help. And targeting a desperate, hungry audience with urgent problems that they need to solve immediately. The reason I put that in is it's easier to make money in a niche where there's big problems. Okay, so find me a niche where product services pay at least $200 per sale. Give me an angle to rank fast. Find low competition, search terms that target pain points, i.e. or e.g. X problem solved first, best solution for Y issue, and so on. The reason being is a lot of the best niches people worry about competition. If you put that in there, you've got an angle to rank fast, which I'll show you in just a second. Provide the exact key phrases to target. Find long tail keywords that have low competition but high traffic, and question based to rank quickly. Find a monetization method with immediate earning potential. This could be high ticket affiliate programs, software as a service referrals, consultation services, and so on. Okay, and then map out a 4-week flipping plan, which I'll come back to, but mapping that out. Okay, so here we go. The first thing that ChatGPT has done is given me some niches with over $200 plus commissions. And check this out: emergency dental services, at home teeth solutions, with these key phrases: tooth pain relief at home, best temporary filling for broken tooth. And look at the searches. You'd obviously back these up with a keyword tool, but you can see that they're getting a lot of searches. How to fix a chipped tooth at home, emergency dentist near me, open now, best aligners for crooked teeth 2025. So these are keywords that people are typing in that are lower competition. It's also given me number 2 here is high trading software and AI stock prediction tools. Bit of a, you have to be careful with sort of AI trading bots and forex indicators, but this is just an example of the niche best AA stock trading software for beginners, how to predict stock market trends with AI, and so on. Okay, a good idea if you have that information for a site. The third one is urgent tax and legal help, how to stop IRS tax garnishment fast, 6,800 searches, best tax relief services for small business owners, estate planning attorney near me, free consultation, how to negotiate IRS. Okay, so you've got some good niches that will pay well for the leads. Then it's given me the 4-week flipping plan, which I'll come back to in a second. And then it's given me a summary, best niche based on flip potential because you want to make money fast. Here we go, emergency dental, at home, teeth fixes, low, traffic potential high, estimated flip value 10k plus. Okay? Best choices for fastest profit, emergency dental solutions wins in this case. Okay? Then what I've done is I put a prompt here. It said, which do you want to move forward with? And I said the first one, dental. Help me map out a plan for the keywords that have a ton of searches with no competition and suggest on content. So it then went into immediate pain relief is the fast ranking keywords. So it's given me more keywords, tooth pain relief at home, best painkiller for severe toothache, how to stop tooth nerve pain, okay, what to do if my tooth hurts at night, and so on. Okay, fixing teeth at home, DIY solutions, affiliate goldmine. So there's plenty of guides and ads that we could put on for that problem. Now, an important distinction as well is you're not really worried about the affiliate program. Even if you can get traffic, then someone else can monetize that traffic, which I'll explain in just a second. But here, best solution and product comparison. So it's actually giving you some products here. Best at home's tooth straightening kits 2025, 5,000 searches a month. Byte versus Invisalign, I don't know what those products are, but 3,400 searches. Best over-the-counter tooth repair kit. So many little keywords that aren't competitive there. And again, questions here. And you've even got, I missed one here. Best mouth guards for grinding teeth, best invisible braces for adults. Really good amount of searches that you can get ranked on, and you can even get AI to help with the content. And then it's given me a 4-week content plan. Week 1, what to focus on, these key phrases. Week 2, these key phrases. Week 3, and then going into estimated value and so on. And again, these are all $200 plus commissions as well, so that Byte will pay $200 commission. So then it goes into next steps and so on. And I wanted to show you this. You can follow this guide, you can get set up, and then you can do this. I've loaded up on Flipper here sites that are just up to 1 year old, I think I put. Yeah, so these sites are only up to 1 year old, and it's only showing sold sites. So you can see here sold. So you can follow this exact method. It didn't have to be with the dental niche, and it's covered these bases for you. You've got a niche that you know you can rank for. You've got a niche that pays over $200 per sale. You've got keywords that will be able to get traction quickly, and you've got the plan, all using AI. So go and give that prompt a go. I'll paste the prompt down in the comments. If you're interested in this stuff, as I say, do join us for the Master Niches webinar. The link is below in the description, and it will take you through to this page. Give it a go, and it will work really, really well for you. And that's exactly what to do. If you need money quickly, you'll be able to get something up and running in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks following that exact guide. Any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.